Good afternoon. My name is Bahadur Malla. I'm from Nepal. I'm married. I have 3 kids. I'm working actually 5 years at the paradise and the coaching. This